Good morning, student. Welcome to our YouTube channel Genius Coaching Center. Today we discuss question related to limit and derivative. In the previous video, we studied out the formula related to limit and derivative. So we have find out the solution of the questions. So our first question is f of x equal to x power 100 over 100 plus x power 99 over 99 plus so on x squared by 2 plus x plus 1. We have to prove that derivative of f dash 1 is equal to 100 times f dash 0. We have find out the derivative of given function, and after finding the derivative we have to put the value of x equal to 1 and 0. We have to prove this result. So firstly we have find out the derivative dy dx of x 100 by 100 plus dy dx of x 99 by 99 plus so on dy dx of x square by 2 dy dx over x plus dy dx of 1. So 100 into x power 99 by 100 plus 99 into x power 98 by 99 plus so on 2 into x by 2 plus 1 into 0. We have the value of f dash x is equal to this. Now we have to find f dash 1. F dash 1 is equal to 199 plus 198 plus so on plus 1 plus 1. How many terms? 100 terms, that is equal to 100. Now we have put x equal to 0, 0 power 99 plus 0 power 98 so on plus 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. Now we have to find out 100 time of f dash 0, that is equal to 100 into 1, that is equal to 100. From 1 and 2, from हमें 1 और 2 से क्या मिला? f dash 1 is equal to 100 time of f dash 0, that is the required proof of the given function. Now we have find out the derivative of f of x equal to x cube minus 27 by using the first principle. We know that according to first principle f dash x is equal to limit h approaches to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x whole upon h. We have to find out f of x plus h, that is equal to f of x plus h is equal to x plus h whole cube minus 27. Now we have to substitute this value in f dash x. Limit h approaches to 0 f of x plus h is equal to x plus h का whole cube minus 27 minus of x cube minus 27 whole upon h. Now solve this, we get after solving x cube plus h cube plus 3x square h plus 3x h square minus 27 plus 27 कट गया, x cube कट गया, हमारे पास x cube नहीं बचेगा, whole upon h. So we have to take common h square plus 3x square plus 3xh whole upon h. h के साथ h कट जाएगा और हमें लिमिट h अप्रोच टू 0 करवा देनी पड़ेगी. 0 plus 3x square plus 3 into 0, that is equal to 3x square. That is the required derivative of f of x by using first principle. Similarly, we have question f of x is equal to x 1 by x square. We have to find f of x plus h, that is equal to x plus h का whole square. Same with the help of first principle, we have to find out the derivative of given function, that is limit h approaches to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x whole upon h. Now put the value of f of x plus 1, that is 1 upon x plus h का whole square minus 1 by x square whole upon h. Now solve by taking LCM, x square minus x plus h whole square whole upon x square hx square x plus h का whole square. Now solve out x square minus h square minus 2hx whole upon hx square into x plus h का whole square. x square कट जाएगा, हमारे पास कॉमन आ जाएगा h. Take h minus h common, we will get h minus 2x whole upon hx square into x plus h whole square. h के साथ h का कैंसिल हो जाएगा, हमारे पास बन जाएगा माइनस लिमिट h अप्रोचेस टू 0 h minus 2x upon x square into x plus h square. We have to substitute h is equal to 0, that is minus, that is equal to 0 plus 2x whole upon x square into x plus h का whole square. x के साथ x कट जाएगा और हमारे पास आएगा माइनस 2 upon x into x square, that is equal to x cube, that is the required derivative of the given function. Now we have another example, f of x equal to x minus a upon x minus b. We have to find out the derivative by using quotient rule. Denominator as it is, derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is, derivative of denominator whole upon denominator square. Derivative of x minus a is equal to 1 minus x minus a, derivative of x minus b is equal to 1 whole upon x minus b whole square, that is equal to x minus b minus x plus a whole upon x minus b whole square. x के साथ x कट जाएगा, हमारे पास बचेगा a minus b upon x minus b whole square, that is the required answer. Similarly, f dash x is equal to denominator as it is, derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is, derivative of denominator and denominator का whole square. Now x minus a, derivative of xn, that is equal to n x n minus 1, derivative of a power n is equal to 0 minus x power n minus a power n same, derivative of x minus a is equal to 1 whole upon x minus a का whole square. Similarly, x minus a solve out, that becomes n x power n minus a n x power n minus 1 minus xn minus a n whole upon x minus a power square. That is the required answer of the given function. Now come to the given question, f of x equal to x square minus 1. We have to find out the derivative of given function f of x equal to x square minus 2 at x equal to 10. What is the derivative of f of x? dy dx into x square minus 2. Derivative of x square is equal to 2 into x, that is equal to 2x. We have to find the derivative of function at x equal to 10, that is equal to 2 into 10, that is equal to 20. Similarly, in this case we have to find out the derivative of the given function f of x equal to 99x. Derivative of 99x equal to 99. So we have to find the derivative of given function at x equal to 100, that is equal to 99. Now the given question, we have the function f of x equal to x power n plus a x power n minus 1 plus a square x n minus 2 up to so on a power n minus 1 plus a power n. We have to find out the derivative of given function at x equal to a. Now f dash x is equal to derivative of given function x power n plus derivative of a x power n minus 1 plus derivative of a square x n minus 2 up to so and so derivative of a power n minus 1 into x plus derivative of a n. So derivative of x power n is equal to n x n minus 1 plus a into derivative of x power n minus 1, that is n minus 1 x power n minus 2 plus a square n minus 2 into x power n minus 3 plus so on a power n minus 1 plus 0. A power n derivative is equal to 0. Now this is the required derivative of the given function. We have to find the derivative of given function at x equal to a. Substitute x equal to a, become with this result. Now take out a n minus 1 into common, be left with n to n minus 1 plus n minus 3 up to so and so 2 plus 1, that is a n minus 1 into sum of n term. We know that sum of n term is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. That is the required answer of the given function. आई होप आपको लिमिट एंड डेरिवेटिव का कंसेप्ट समझ आया होगा। मैं हर रोज आपके लिए नई नई वीडियो लेके आता हूँ। प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। थैंक यू वॉचिंग फॉर माई वीडियो।